So hi friends, here I am on the official website of Manipal. As you also know, round 2 is already done yesterday. That is the round 2 in Manipal. I'm talking about the BTech counseling. So here is the round 2 cutoff rank. They have already informed. So here I will try to provide you the complete information for each branch, what you can expect for upcoming round and whether there will be more rounds or not, because as of now they have provided only 3 round of counseling. As you can check here, 3 round, but additional round if any they will announce later. So the thing is, in many years they used to do 5 round, 6 round also. So this year also, if the seat permits, because this year also trend is going the same like the year in which they have done 4 or 5 round or 6 round, that they had started the early counseling. Early means they used to do the counseling in second week of June, but this year they have started in on 2nd of June, that is you can say first week of June. So and it relates with the other counseling also, as it is started early. So many students will leave the seat also after third round. So what will happen with those seats? So they will do more round, and also there is intra sliding round for filling of the choices by admitted as student for intra institute sliding. Seat allotment at the respective institute means already admitted a student. So if you get my point, now we will discuss about the cutoff. So here, as you can check, first of all I will go with the CSC computer science main campus. It is at 4484, so there is a big jump from first round. And as there is merging of all the CSC and CSC specialization, so it is going very high, and the change in cutoff will be more as compared to previous year, because previous year only CSC seat was there, but this year CS and CSS specialization all seat has been merged. So the change will be more. So you can expect, if your rank is around 6000 or even 6.3000, you can expect the seat in CSC, that is computer science engineering, up to the last round. If you go intra sliding, you can get up to 7000 also. To get the seat up to 7000, you have to use the some tips and tricks there, so that you will get the benefit of intra sliding and a spot counseling. It will be done later. Once you register with my guidance, I will try to provide you everything. So the number is available on the screen, as you can check. If you want, you can contact me, but only for paid guidance there is a nominal charge. If you want doubt session, you can pay less fee. If you want complete guidance up to last, so that I will be there one to one up to your final admission, there is a little bit more charge for that. And if you want all counseling guidance like BitSat, Manipal, CometK, and AEEE or JOSA, CSAP, Jack Rally, so there is a different charge for that. So if you want, whenever you want, you can contact me on the screen. You are getting the detail, and in the next section you can check the detail of my guidance. So here I would like to provide you the complete information regarding my complete guidance and mentorship program for Manipal entrance test, that is MET 2025. As I am doing it from last 6-7 year, already 12,000 plus student I have guided. In my previous year video, you can take the detail about the complete prediction that was 100% correct, and here a step by step and one-to-one guidance on a video session, audio session, everything will be available to guide you for the counseling process. There is complete counseling support to get the best out of your rank, that is best campus and best branch as well. Once you register, you will get a very good service at very low and affordable price, and it will help to get the best branch and campus, because you are ready to pay lots of money to Manipal. So it is better to take expert guidance and mentorship, so that you can get the best branch and campus. Thank you. If you have got the information regarding the guidance process. So now if you talk about CSC in MIT Bangalore, so it is 2000 jump is there from first round to second round, around 2000 I think. So now it will be at least it will go up to 14,000. If your rank is 16 or 17, then also you can get it through the intra and a sport counseling, that is last counseling, and for that you have to apply the tips and tricks depending on your requirements. So once you register, I will provide you, because there is no there can't be a general tips and tricks for every student, and there can't be a general situation of every student. Every student have different type of situation. Many students are having other seats also, so whether you should wait or not, whether you should opt out from the counseling or you should leave the counseling, whether you should pay or not, because refund policy is also there. So it depends on you, and it is advisable to discuss with the expert before going for the final decision for paying 20 or 25 lakh to a college. Now if you talk about Manipal Jaipur CSC, then 32,632, so almost 2500 jump is there, and at least 5000 more it will increase, that is up to 37,000 it will go up to last. If your rank is around 40,000, then again you have to do the tips and tricks and get the college through a spot counseling or interest sliding. So this was about the CSE. Now if you go to Sikkim, then 39,971, that is this is a cutoff. Last round I think it was 36,000 or something. So now it will go obviously up to 45,000 up to the last. Even if you have last rank, once you join through the intra sliding or spot counseling, you can get it. And if you go to Dubai campus, you can get up to 40,000 also up to the last. So this was about the CSE core. Now if you talk about in the main campus, because in Jaipur campus obviously most of the students are looking for CSE only, and if you are looking for dual degree up to 40,000 you will get it. Now I will go for a main campus. Biotechnology you will get up to 25,000 up to the last round. Chemical engineering up to 26,000, and civil engineering you will get up to 34,000. Civil with dual degree, that is foreign university, and it will be available up to 50, that is last rank, because there are few takers of those college, means those branches. And now if you talk about other branches like computer science and financial technology, it will go up to 6.5 thousand this year. CSC core and financial technology or ECA is not having lots of gap, because the reason is, try to listen my word and you will understand it and it will clear your confusion. Earlier year CSC core and CSC specialization was different. This year they have merged. So all the student that is top student are getting the CSC core, even if their rank is higher. So if they are not getting the CSC, then what they will get? EC or financial technology. So that's why the cutoff is nearer to each other. Now if you talk about the next thing, that is mathematics and computing, it will go up to 7,000. If your rank is 8,000 or 9,000, you can get it through the intra sliding and the inter sliding and spot counseling. But you have to apply again the same thing, that is tips and tricks, and depending on your situation you can take this risk. Otherwise I will not suggest you go blindly. If you have the information, you can do it by yourself. Otherwise you can contact me also. Now for biomedical it will go up to 30,000, and for cyber physical system 20,000, electrical engineering 15 or 16,000 it will go, and dual degree courses up to 25,000. Now if you talk about electronics and communication, it will go surely up to 8,000, and even if your rank is up to 10,000, you can get it through the same process, that is interest sliding and spot counseling, but by better counseling. Electronics instrumentation, again it will go up to around 16-17,000. VLSI design, it will go up to 10,000. Mechatronics, it will go up to 20,000 again. And mechatronics dual degree, Daiken University 30,000. Aeronautical, again 18 or 19,000. Automobile 26,000. Industrial 32,000. Mechanical around 22 or 23,000. Dual degree mechanical 35,000. So like this the cutoff will go. Now if you go to Bangalore campus, then electronics and communication, same around, it will be 15-16,000, similar to CSE, because if the student will not get CSE, then what they will choose? EC. That's why electronics and computer, it will go up to 20,000 or 18,000 surely. And VLSI design 20,000. Artificial intelligence around 19,000, that is robotics and artificial. So this was about the Bangalore campus. And Jaipur I think already discussed CSE. And if you are looking for other computer science, bioscience, it will also go up to 38,000. And electronics and communication up to 40,000. Electronics and computer again up to 40,000. And electronics and instrumentation again up to 40 or 41,000. Mechanical 45,000. Mechatronics 45,000. Robotics and artificial intelligence 40 or 41,000. So this was about the complete information regarding the cutoff that you can expect in the upcoming round. And if you want my guidance, you can contact me. The number is available, but only if you want paid guidance. Thank you.